going to show you how to assemble, use, and clean the lovely Robot Coupe. The Robot Coupe is an important instrument in food service because it can be used for many purposes. It can be used to puree, chop, dice, or de-skin a multiple amount of things. Most people use the Robot Coupe to puree avocados, to make guacamole, or you can even make a garlic puree. You can also use it to make different emulsions and sauces.
I personally used it to make falafel. It grinds up garbanzo beans really well.
Yummy.
So I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the Robot Coupe. So first, unwrap the cord. And then you're going to put on this base. The base kind of goes on a little bit to the left, and then it'll lock in, and you can hear it like click in. So like line up perfectly with the front. And then you want to put the blade in. Make sure it goes all the way down because it can get kind of stuck on this level. So make sure it goes all the way down in there. And then you're going to want to put the top on. Obviously you're going to put the food in first. It also goes on to the left and then clicks in to lock. Yeah, that's it for assembly.
When you're ready to use the Robot Coupe, plug it in. And the on button will cause a continuous cycle, which you can stop with the off button. For controlled cycles of increments of time, or just like pulsing, you want to chop something, the pulse button will allow it to only be working when you are pressing the button, which gives you more control over the consistency you want to create. This is a 3-quart Robot Coupe R2, and that is how you use it. When you are done, you want to unplug it, grab the plug by the thick plastic part and not by the cord to maintain and prolong the life of your Robot Coupe.
When you're finished using your Robot Coupe and all of your food is chopped the consistency that you desire, the way that you disassemble it is by, again, moving the top to the left. You're going to pull straight up and put that right there. As for the blade, you want to be very careful, and you want to grab the top, the circular part, definitely not the blade, and pull it exactly up. As for the main contraption, you want to twist it left again. You'll hear another click and pull up. Always make sure, as Spalding said, that it is unplugged before cleaning. Then you'll take everything to the sink and begin washing. I like to start with the blade first to make sure I can wash it, and definitely need a sponge and some soap. You'll wet your sponge, drizzle with a little bit of soap, and wash the blade. As I was saying, I like to do the blade first so you can get it out of the sink so nobody cuts themselves. Once you finish with the blade, you can carry on with the rest and make sure everything is spotless before you put it back on the shelf. Thank you.